we going to dear students. Today we are here to study something about SST. Okay, so in SST we are going to start a very new topic, and that is unit number 4, the name rubbish and recycle. So in this chapter we are going to learn about rubbish and their recycling. So first of all we should know what is rubbish and how it is created. Rubbish are things which we no longer use. Rubbish is what? Rubbish are the things which we no longer use. Okay? For example, I have a pen, this one pen. So I cannot refill the ink again. But now the ink is finished. This is no use for me. Okay? This pen is no longer used for me. I will just do what? I will just throw it to the dustbin because I cannot use it further. So it will become rubbish for me because I cannot use it more. For example, if I give you one more example about I go to a shop and I buy a packet of chips. So I ate that chips, but now what I will do for wrapper? The wrapper is no use for me. Definitely we ate chips and we just throw that wrapper into the dustbin because we cannot utilize that wrapper again. So it will become what? It will become rubbish. What is rubbish? The things which we do not or which we cannot use further. What about litter? Litter is rubbish. It is a new name for the rubbish. We call rubbish with a good name, that is litter. Okay? So now in this topic we are having a story about litter. Litter is what? Litter is rubbish. Rubbish we know the things which we cannot use more and further. So in this topic, rubbish and recycling, we are going to discuss about the story of 3 friends. They went to the park and they are talking about the scenario, the environment, the rubbish things. And the name of their friends are Thomas, Yaya and Hamza. One day they are having their weekend, so they plan to go to the park and then they can play cricket there. So for this you have to open your book, page number 21. So we will start the reading. Okay, so now let's open the book. Okay, on page number 21, we are going to start the chapter Rubbish and Recycling. Here we are discussing about the story that is about litter, and we know what is litter? Rubbish. Okay, Rami's rubbish. Okay, Ramesh and his friends had gone to the park to play cricket. Ramesh and his friends had gone to the park to play cricket. It was a hot day and Ramesh was thirsty. It was a hot day. Okay, maybe it was a day of summers. What is the meaning of thirsty? When he was feeling to drink water. Okay, it was a hot day and Ramesh was thirsty. He stopped to take a long drink from the can he was carrying. He stopped himself and sat down and take a drink from his can which he was holding or he was carrying. Let's sit down for a while under that shady tree, Ramesh said. He is having his 2 friends. So he told them that come on and sit because I'm feeling thirsty. Let's sit down and have a drink. Okay, Ramesh, Jaya and Hamza. Told you these are the names of his friend. Sat down on the bench under the cool shade of that tree. Okay. The grass looked fresh and green. The grass looked fresh and green. A row of bright flowers grew around the green patch. Now they are sitting on the bench and they are looking at the environment of that park. What they look? The grass looked fresh and green. The row of bright flowers grew around the green patch. Okay, now turn the page. On page number 22, come on, let's play a game of cricket, said Ramesh. The Ramesh says to his friend, oh, come on, let's play cricket. He stood up, finished his drink and threw the can on the ground. He was drinking water from the can, but after finishing, he just threw that can on the ground. Okay? What did you do that for? Asked Hamza. Hamza is the friend of Ramesh. He asked him, what did you do that for? Why you shouldn't throw rubbish on the ground? Because maybe his mother told him that you could not throw the rubbish on the ground. So he was pointing out his friend that, oh, what you did. You should not do like this, okay? You should not supposed to throw the rubbish on the ground. Why not? Now Ramesh said, why not? It's only one little can, said Ramesh, okay? Later that week, Ramesh was walking past the park again. He looked over to the tree where he had sat with his friends. After 1 week, he was again walked through the park and he looked at that bench where he was sitting with his friends. Last week, he saw his drink can. It was still lying on the grass. What he saw his drink can. It was still lying on the grass. There was other cans next to it. There were other cans next to it. There were a bit of paper too. I wonder why. No one has picked up the rubbish, he thought. Now what happened when he was again walking through the same park, he saw that his can which he threw the last week, no one picked it up, but he can see that there are some next can too. Someone come and whenever someone see the rubbish on the ground, they start throwing it, okay? So, he saw some other cans on the ground with the can that Ramesh threw before he was came to the last week to that park, okay? There was a bit of papers too. Someone threw papers also, okay? I wonder why no one has picked up the rubbish. Now he was thinking that why no one has come and picked that rubbish up, okay? He thought he was thinking about it. Now turn the page number 23. A few weeks later, Ramesh and his two friends visited the park. Ramesh and his two friends visited the park again to play cricket. Okay, as they walked through the park, Ramesh saw more rubbish. Now, a few weeks later, he again visited that park. Okay, but he saw some more rubbish. This place used to be clean, he said. He said what? This place used to be clean. Now it's full of rubbish. He is thinking about the first week when they came here, that when we were here for the first time, we see that this place was very neat and clean. But when they throw the can, but now all are supposed to throw the rubbish over here. Something should be done about it. Now it's full of rubbish. Now they are thinking about that something should be done about it. Okay? Hamza looked at Ramesh. You made the park dirty. Now Hamza is blaming on Ramesh that you make the park dirty because you are the one who threw the can for the very first time. Okay? He said, me, said Ramesh. Now Ramesh is saying, me? Am I the one who do that? What do you say that? Why do you say? Now he is questioning him that why are you blaming on me? Okay? You drop a can here the other week, said Hamza. He was remembering him that you are the one who threw the can for the very first time when we first visit here. Yes, but that was only one can. Okay? Now Ramesh said, I just threw only one can. Now there is lot of rubbish. Do you think that's my mistake? But I throw only one can. So he was thinking that it was not his mistake. There are hundreds of cans here now. Ramesh replied, someone should clean it all up. Okay? Ramesh replied, what? Someone should clean it all up. If no one dropped litter in the first place, litter we know what? Litter is rubbish. If no one dropped litter in the first place, no one would have to pick it up. Now he is saying if no one is supposed to throw the rubbish on the ground, so there is no one's duty to pick it up, okay? If this is your rubbish, you have to pick it yourself. Ramesh thought about this. Yeah, you are right, he said. Now what Ramesh is saying, you are right, because we should not have to throw rubbish on the ground, okay? If we all take care of our park, it will always be a lovely place. If we just take care, okay? So it will always become a lovely place to visit. Come on, let's go and pick up that rubbish. Now they are planning. Now let's go and pick up that rubbish and make our park beautiful and clean again. Now they are planning because they want a very beautiful park. In order to make that park beautiful, they are planning to pick that all rubbish and throw into a dustbin where it is necessary. Ramesh knew now that it was wrong to drop litter. Now Ramesh clarified that it was very wrong to throw the rubbish on the ground. Okay, so he got the lesson. Now class, let's move toward the copy working. What you have to do in your copy. First of all, as we know, we are starting a new topic. So for this, you have to make a title page. This is your homework, okay? So first, you have to make title page. Unit number 4, it is written rubbish and recycle. On the very next page, you have to make a column as we done before for the words meaning, okay? So you have to do words meaning. After very next page of words meaning, you have to do question and answer. And that is 1 till 4. Okay? So you have 3 homework for today. Title page, words meaning and question answer. Okay, now let's have a look on your homework. Okay, we are having 3 words meaning here. Trust. I have told you, feeling a need to drink. Whenever we are in need of water, so it means we are feeling thirsty. Patch, a piece of cloth. Okay? Litter, you know it's a rubbish. Now what you have to do on the very next page, you have to maintain your page for question answer. Question number 1 is, what is rubbish? Answer, rubbish is anything we no longer need or want, such as old toys or a broken TV or an old computer. Okay? So the rubbish are the things which we do not use longer. What problems, question number 2, what problems do litter cause? Answer, it make our streets, park and beaches look messy. Okay? Okay, the B part is it pollutes water and can make us ill. Okay? Number C, you have to write the points like the C. It can kill animals that eat it and get tangled up. Okay, now question number 3, write 3 steps to protect environment. 3 steps, that is recycle, reduce and reuse. Okay, number 4, why it is important to have clean environment. Okay, now you have to do the same points. Because clean environment keep people healthy. Number B, it enhances the beauty of our country. Number C, it also saves wildlife. Okay class, so you have to complete your work. Title page, words meaning and question answer. Further we will continue later. For this, Allah Hafiz and take care.